Okay, so Sheep token was launched today in India by WazirX. This so-called Doge killer was launched today, and it was launched at the price of 1,660. It did went down immediately, and it went down to like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, then 3 rupee as well. And unfortunately, lot of people bought it at, as you can see over here. Holy shit! सो अभी पता तो नहीं इनका पैसा रिकवर होने में कितना टाइम लग जाएगा, क्योंकि मैंने तो देखा यार ट्विटर पे एक बंदे ने ट्वीट किया था वजीरेक्स को, वो रिफंड मांग रहा था। बोल रहा था मैंने 1 लाख का शिप टोकन ले लिया एट द प्राइस ऑफ 1 रुपी, एंड नाउ हिज पोर्टफोलियो शोज लाइक 300 couple of 100 rupees. So I honestly want to say one thing, like you guys should do your own research before you are investing into anything. आप किसी भी चीज़, किसी भी कंपनी में, स्टॉक मार्केट हो या कोई भी चीज़ हो, किसी भी तरह का इन्वेस्टमेंट हो, अगर आपको उसके बारे में पता नहीं है तो उसमें पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए। मतलब हाउ कैन यू बाय दिस एट 3 रुपीज? डिडंट यू गो टू बाइनेंस एंड चेक द एक्चुअल प्राइस ऑफ दिस शीप टोकन, या किसी कोई भी और वेबसाइट पे जैसे कॉइनबेस है, और भी काफ़ी सारे वेबसाइट्स है। एक बार जाके कंपेयर तो कर लेना चाहिए ना प्राइस यार। वजीरेक्स ने लिस्ट किया 3 रुपीज पे, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर लाइक what was the technical thing behind they listing it at 3 rupees or 2 rupees. I'm not sure, but why are people buying it? They should do their own research, right? It's not like some lottery ticket. And first of all, if anyone is recommending you on Twitter or any other social media site like Instagram or Facebook कि भाई ये कॉइन लो, अब ऐसे पंप होने वाला है, ये कॉइन लो, ये कॉइन नेक्स्ट डोज कॉइन है होगा, ये कॉइन में किसी ने 10 रुपए इन्वेस्ट किए, आज उसका 1 लाख हो गया, do not fall for it. Most of the tweets, um, posts on Instagram, all of them are paid. अगर कोई जैसे जिसके 100K से ज़्यादा फॉलोअर है और आपको बोल रहा है कि भाई ये करो, वो ले लो। अभी मैंने किसी का ट्वीट देखा कल, जब टेस्ला ने अनाउंस किया कि वो बिटकॉइन लेना बंद करेंगे, और उन्होंने ये तो नहीं बोला ना कि उनके पास जो है अभी बिटकॉइन वो बेच देंगे, दे विल कीप इट, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू सेल इट और समथिंग, but still it had a lot of influence on the crypto market. Not only the Bitcoin, lot of other coins also price went down. People started selling Ethereum, and started to go down. Matic went down. WRX also went down. Lot of other coins also went down. And Ethereum was quite promising. It also had an impact after this announcement. But um, honestly saying, like you should not get into something because everyone is getting into that. This is a very good example, and this might be even talked about by guys in the future as well. Like you should not get into something like I would suggest you can go through some courses online on blockchain and Bitcoin, and do a proper research on which coin should I invest in, and do not put all of your eggs in one basket. Have some little investment in the coins you believe in. Like I am not giving you any financial advice over here, but you should do your own research and check out the market cap of the coin, how this coin has performed, and what are the how volatile it is. And there's a course which I came across on MIT. I have a link over here. It's a very good course, and this is from Gary, who is the head of SEC in the USA right now. Perhaps you can go through it. I'll add a link of the same in the video description. You should go through it. This is quite like lengthy, but it gives you a lot of information on the blockchain and Bitcoin. You should really go through it. And last thing, like please do your research before you go ahead and invest into some random coins. Not every coin will be the Dogecoin. Just because someone is saying that buy this coin, please don't go ahead and buy. Like I have seen people investing their life savings. They have lost a lot of money. The media, especially the media in the US, I never seen like they showed someone who lost X amount of money or who lost their life savings after investing in some coin. They always show like, this guy had some $1,800 he invested in, now he's a millionaire. They never show you the dark side of it. Media will never show you. So be smart. Don't go ahead and invest in some random coins. Do your own research, and if possible, just go through this lecture. I'll add a link in the description. Thank you.